Hi, I'm Eloise, and I'm here with my friend Denim in my design room, and today we are going to be working with the crayon melter. You can use practically any surface with all your Crayola colors.
Let's get started.
Yeah, let's do that. Just slide it across.
So first we break these.
Yep, into three separate pieces. And then we just put them in the crayon melter. Then we have to wait until it turns green. Nice.
Wow, that's quick.
Cool.
Ooh, that's so cool. They dry so quick.
Oh, I love the colors.
What's your fish's name?
Bubbles.
Name mine Shadow.
What you gonna draw on?
How about my name?
I think it's just gonna be some lines and some polka dots.
Ta-da!
What do you think? Whoa.
That belongs in an art show.
We decided to use different colors this time, more bright, and so far, I'm liking it.
That's crazy.
Whoa, that's like the coolest mix I've seen. I'm making mine a different texture.
That's pretty cool. How's it look?
It looks great.